Welcome back to TechVibe. DJI has already transformed the way people capture the world from above, but the next generation of its compact drone lineup could push that experience even further. The DJI Mini6 Pro is one of the most anticipated upcoming drones among creators, travelers, and aerial photography enthusiasts who are waiting to see what improvements DJI might introduce next. The Mini series became successful because it delivered a powerful combination of portability, intelligent features, and impressive camera quality in a lightweight body. It gave beginners an easy way to enter the world of drone photography, while still offering enough features for experienced creators. Now, expectations for the DJI Mini6 Pro are higher than ever. But what can we realistically expect from this next-generation drone? In this video, we will look at the possible upgrades, expected features, and why the DJI Mini6 Pro could become one of the most interesting compact drones in the future market. Before we continue, it is important to clarify that DJI has not officially announced the Mini6 Pro yet. Most information available today comes from industry expectations, previous DJI release patterns, and rumors from the drone community. These details should be considered possible features rather than confirmed specifications until DJI makes an official announcement. One of the biggest areas where users are expecting improvement is the camera system. DJI has continuously upgraded the cameras in its Mini Pro lineup, and the Mini6 Pro could continue that trend with better image processing, improved low-light performance, and more professional quality footage. Many drone enthusiasts are hoping for a larger or more advanced camera sensor that can capture more detail, especially in difficult lighting situations. Whether it is shooting a city skyline at sunset, recording mountain landscapes, or creating cinematic travel content, better sensor performance could make a huge difference. For content creators, camera quality is one of the most important factors when choosing a drone. A compact drone that can produce professional-looking footage without requiring expensive equipment is extremely valuable for YouTubers, filmmakers, and social media creators. Video performance is another major area of interest. DJI has been moving its smaller drones closer to professional camera quality, and the Mini6 Pro could potentially bring improvements in resolution, frame rates, stabilization, and color accuracy. Advanced video features could make the drone more attractive for creators who want cinematic footage straight from the sky. Better stabilization and improved image processing could help produce smoother shots, even during fast movements or challenging weather conditions. Flight performance is also expected to receive attention. DJI's obstacle avoidance technology has become one of the company's strongest advantages. Future improvements could include smarter sensors, better object recognition, and more reliable tracking capabilities. For solo creators, intelligent flight features are extremely important. Automated tracking, smoother subject following, and smarter flight modes allow users to focus more on creativity instead of manually controlling every movement. Battery life remains one of the biggest priorities for drone users. Longer flight times mean more opportunities to capture the perfect shot and explore new locations. While compact drones have limitations because of their size, DJI has continued improving battery efficiency with every generation. The Mini6 Pro could potentially offer better power management and improved flight endurance, giving users more confidence during outdoor adventures. For travelers who may only have a limited amount of time in a location, every extra minute in the air can make a difference. Portability will likely remain one of the Mini series' biggest strengths. Many users in premium markets, including the United States, Canada, Europe, and Australia, prefer lightweight drones because they are easier to carry during vacations, hiking trips, and outdoor activities. A powerful drone that can fit inside a backpack creates new possibilities for travel creators. Instead of carrying large camera equipment, users can capture professional aerial shots with a compact device that is ready whenever inspiration appears. Regulations will also play an important role in the future of the Mini series. DJI has always focused on creating lightweight drones that appeal to a wide range of users while considering different aviation rules around the world. Maintaining a compact design while adding more advanced technology will be a major challenge. Another possible upgrade area is artificial intelligence. DJI has been investing heavily in smarter software features, and future drones could include improved AI-powered tracking, smarter flight planning, and more automated creative shooting options. These features could make drone photography easier for beginners while giving experienced pilots more creative freedom. Imagine selecting a subject, choosing a cinematic movement, and allowing the drone to intelligently create a smooth professional shot. The DJI Mini6 Pro could also benefit from improvements in connectivity, transmission range, and reliability. A stronger connection between the drone and controller would provide a better flying experience, especially when operating in environments with interference or challenging conditions. Software updates may also become a bigger part of the experience. DJI has a history of improving its products through firmware updates, adding new features and refining performance even after launch. Another area where users are looking for improvement is durability. Outdoor creators often fly drones in different environments, from beaches and forests to mountains and urban locations. Better resistance against wind, improved motors, and stronger build quality could make the Mini6 Pro more dependable for professional and adventure use. A smarter return-to-home system could also become an important upgrade. Modern drone users want more confidence when flying longer distances, and improved navigation accuracy could help the drone safely return even in complicated environments. The controller experience may also see improvements. A better display, faster response, and a more intuitive interface could make flying easier for both beginners and experienced pilots. DJI has already developed advanced controllers for its drone lineup, and future improvements could bring a more premium experience to the Mini series. Another exciting possibility is improved vertical shooting capabilities. Social media platforms have changed how people create content, and many creators now need high-quality vertical footage for short-form videos. A future Mini6 Pro optimized for modern content creation could become extremely popular among influencers and travel filmmakers. The biggest question is whether the DJI Mini6 Pro will be a revolutionary upgrade or a careful evolution of an already successful formula. DJI has built its reputation by improving technology step by step, and the next Mini Pro model will likely focus on making a great drone even better. If DJI manages to combine improved image quality, smarter AI features, longer battery life, stronger safety systems, and the same travel-friendly design, the Mini6 Pro could become one of the most attractive drones for creators around the world. For photographers, travelers, and technology enthusiasts, the future of compact drones looks more exciting than ever. The demand for smaller, smarter, and more capable aerial cameras continues to grow, and DJI remains one of the biggest companies shaping this industry. Until DJI officially reveals the Mini6 Pro, every rumored specification should be viewed carefully. But based on the direction of the drone market, it is clear that users are expecting a device that delivers professional results without the complexity of larger systems. This is TechVibe, and we will continue bringing you the latest technology updates, future product news, and exciting innovations from around the world. If the DJI Mini6 Pro becomes the next major breakthrough in compact drones, you will be among the first to know. Make sure to stay connected with TechVibe for more upcoming technology releases, camera innovations, and future gadgets that could change the way we create and experience the digital world. The future of aerial photography is moving faster than ever, and the next generation of DJI drones could redefine what is possible from a small, lightweight flying camera.